Today, we're diving into one of the most exciting reveals from the Paris Motor Show, the all-new Renault 4 E-Tech. A fully electric SUV set to hit the roads in 2025. This car is more than just a nod to the past, it's a thrilling mix of retro charm and cutting-edge technology that you don't want to miss. Imagine cruising down the road in a car that fuses classic style with futuristic performance. The Renault 4 E-Tech takes inspiration from the iconic 1960s Renault 4L, but with a modern twist that's designed for the electric age. From the illuminated front grille, complete with round LED headlights, to its compact yet instantly recognizable silhouette, this car screams style and innovation. And don't let its retro looks fool you, the Renault 4 E-Tech is packed with the latest tech. With up to 420 liters of trunk space, a wide fabric sunroof that brings the open air into your ride, and roof bars for extra versatility. It's perfect for city driving or countryside adventures. And under the hood, you're getting the power of a fully electric drivetrain with a range of up to 400 km. That's enough for some serious road trips without the need to worry about charging. If you're loving what you're seeing so far, make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications, because we're bringing you all the latest on the best new cars, including this beauty. And hey, drop a comment below what feature of the new Renault 4 E-Tech excites you the most. Let's chat about it. Now let's talk tech. Inside the Renault 4 E-Tech, you'll find dual 10-inch screens powered by Google, giving you seamless navigation, voice control, and over 50 in-car apps. Whether you're using Google Maps to find your way or adjusting the sunroof with just a voice command. It's all about convenience and staying connected. Plus, this car was designed with everyday comfort in mind, whether you're zipping around the city or heading out on a weekend getaway. This 2025 Renault 4 E-Tech is a game changer for those who love style, tech, and sustainability. And with its starting price expected to be under 30,000 euros, it's set to make waves in the electric vehicle market. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe for more exclusive car reviews. And we'll see you in the next video.